This oversized tic-tac-toe game is a great way for the family to play games together and enjoy the outdoors. To create forms for the O's, I'm using these 6-inch silicone cake pans and lids from spray paint cans. Fast-drying caulk is the perfect adhesive to glue the lid to the center of the silicone pan. Just be sure to wipe off the excess. To make the X's, I'm cutting up melamine shelf board to build a 30-inch by 6-inch open tray. Next, I'm cutting triangles from narrow pieces. From a 2-inch piece, I'm cutting 10 triangles using a 38-degree angle, and from a 1 7/8-inch piece, I'm cutting another 10 at a 59-degree angle. Form the X's by attaching a large triangle at the end of the tray. Then measure over 1.5 inches and place a small triangle along the top and bottom edges of the box. Continue this process until you have 5 X's. To fill all of the forms, I'm combining sand topping mix with water. This mix is ideal for applications that are less than 2 inches thick. When it's thoroughly mixed, I begin scooping it into the forms and using the trowel to level the mix with the top of each form. After 24 hours, the shapes are ready to remove from the form. All we need is a little sidewalk chalk to draw our game grid, and the fun can begin.